polyploidy, what is ploidy? Ploidy, the means the number of sets of chromosomes in a cell or in the cells of an organism. For example, in human there are 46 chromosomes, that means 23 pairs of chromosomes. There are 2 sets of chromosomes, so we are having a diploidy, or we can say we are diploidy organisms. So a ploidy shows the number of sets of chromosomes in a organism. Heteroploidy, hetero, it is a Greek word which means different or other. So the literal meaning of heteroploidy is a set of chromosomes having different chromosomes number than the normal set of. It has having an abnormal chromosome number that deviates from the normal diploid number of a given species is called as heteroploidy. Types of heteroploidy. Types, these numeral changes in the chromosomes. Based on that, it is the various types are there. One is euploidy. In the types, euploidy, monoploidy, diploidy, it is 2x, monox means single, and polyploidy, then 3x, 4x, 5x, x, it will increase. Then aneuploidy, that is hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypoploidy means loss of one or more chromosomes. Hyperploidy, addition of one or more chromosomes. Euploidy. Euploidy is the state of a cell or organism having one or more than one set of the same set of chromosomes, possibility excluding the sex determining chromosomes. For example, most human cells have 2 of each of the 23 homologous monoploid chromosomes for a total of 46 chromosomes. A human cell with an extra set out of the 23 normal ones would be considered euploid. Euploid karyotypes would consequently be a multiple of the haploid number, which in humans is 23, a single extra chromosome such as Down syndrome. Karyotypes are given names with the suffix ploidy used for euploid karyotypes. These are types of euploidy. In these types, euploid type, number of chromosomes present for each chromosome and example. In the each types, monoploid 1, diploid 2, polyploid more than 2, triploid 3x, tetraploid 4, pentaploid 5, hexaploid 6, septaploid 7 and octoploid 8. Monoploidy or haploidy. What it means? The nucleus of a eukaryotic cell is haploid if it has a single set of chromosomes, each one not being part of a pair. By extension, a cell may be called haploid if its nucleus is haploid, and an organism may be called haploid if its body cells are haploid. That body cells means that is somatic cells. The number of chromosomes in a single set is called haploid number, given the symbol. That haploid number, it has given the number symbol N. Origin of haploidy. Haploids can be artificially produced by any one of the following methods, mainly X-rays treatment, delayed pollination, temperature shocks, colchicine treatment, distant hybridization, anther or pollen culture. Naturally occurring haploids. Haploids in some cases, as in male insects, are found as a routine and are produced due to parthenogenesis. In these insects, queen and drones are diploid females. Haploids may also originate spontaneously due to parthenogenetic development of egg in flowering plants. Such rare haploids have actually been obtained in tomatoes and cotton under cultivation. Rarely, haploids may originate from pollen tube rather than from egg, synergids or antipodals of embryo sac. These haploids will be called androgenic haploids. Diploidy. The state of being diploid, that is having two sets of the chromosomes and therefore two sets of the chromosomes, two sets of copies of genes, especially in somatic cells. Word diploid is originated from Greek diplos, which means double. Example, a human somatic cell is in diploid state since it contains 46 chromosomes in contrast to the sex cell that contains only 23 chromosomes. The 46 chromosomes in somatic cell results from the presence of two sets of chromosomes, one set derived from the father and another set from the mother, when from the mother during the zygote stage. Polyploidy. Polyploidy cells and organisms are those containing more than two paired sets of chromosomes. It is found in some organisms and is especially common in plants. In addition, polyploidy occurs in some tissues of animals that are otherwise diploid, such as human muscle tissues. For example, highly differentiated human tissues in the liver, heart muscle and bone marrow. It occurs in the somatic cells of some animals such as goldfish, salmon and salamanders, but is especially common among ferns and flowering plants. Flowering plants may be at Hibiscus rosacearensis, including both wild and cultivated species. That polyploidy has exhibited various useful effects on medicinal plants like digitalis, mentaspecious, poppy plants containing prophenolclides, and also lobelia. The specific number of chromosomes is a character of each species and is called genome, which is observed in all types of organisms. Mainly, when the organisms, the term euploidy is a type of ploidy in which genome contains whole set of chromosomes, as already we discussed, and euploidy includes monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. When the organism contains more than two genomes, that is called as polyploidy. The polyploidy occurs in the multiple series of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. of basic chromosomes. That itself it is called as tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta and octoploidy. This is already explained in the table. Types of polyploids, that is autopolyploidy, allopolyploidy. Mainly that autopolyploidy, that is genome doubling, that is doubling of the chromosome set. Allopolyploidy, that is the product of interspecific hybridization. Autopolyploids are derived from within a single species. Allopolyploids arise via hybridization between two species. Allopolyploid resulting due to chromosomes doubling in a sterile hybrid derived from hybridization between two unrelated diploid species is also called as amphidiploid. If the parental species are polyploids, the derivatives will be called as amphipolyploid. Autoploidy. That types of this autoploidy, it is a types of polyploidy. Mainly autopolyploidy even numbered multiples of haploid numbers of chromosomes. Example, tetraploidy, hexaploidy, octaploidy. Tetra 23 into 4, it is 92 chromosomes. Hexaploidy 23 into 6 or 138 chromosomes. Octaploidy 23 8 or 184 chromosomes. Polyploidy, it is caused through cell generation, physical agents like X-rays, centrifugation, temperature shocks, and chemical agents mainly colchicine, sulfonamide, and mercury chloride. Best known chemical to cause polyploidy is colchicines, and alkaloid from colchicum species. Colchicum species like Colchicum autumnale, Colchicum luteum, and Colchicum speciosum. Colchicines, that is alkaloid from Colchicum species, prevents sister chromatids from separating into daughter nuclei at anaphase. Chromatids remain attached by their common centromer in C metaphase. Chromatids separate but remain in the same nucleus. Interphase occurs by second C metaphase involving doubled chromosome complement. Hence, the chromatin pairs are doubled in second C metaphase. Likewise, cell undergoes 1, 2 or more than 2 rounds of DNA replication and causes polyploidy. The chemical agents, it cause disturbance to mitotic spindle of dividing diploid cell and cause non-segregation of already duplicated chromosomes and thus convert diploids into tetraploid cells. This phenomenon of polyploidy is greater significance to the medicinal plants. The significance may cause formation of the new species, adaptability to various habitats, and mainly accumulation of vitamins. And tropane alkaloids by polyploidy are specific in Stramonium, where yield to crop enhanced by 60 to 150% in 4N form. And plants like Lobelia, Chinchona, Belladonna, and Poppy also increased yield of respective compounds in 4N form. And polyploidy may cause reduction of total glycosides of Digitalis purpurea and Digitalis laudata, but the latter case slightly raises the contents of landocytes A and B. Some plants do not show any change in chemical contents as a response to the polyploidy. Thank you.